Okay.
Look at the dice. I was spinning a dice. Oh, 4. Gosh, it's so shaky. Calix place. See?
6. Okay.
Again. 6 again. Lucky ako. And again, 4. That's good number. Oh no. The 4 is there.
You need to balance it
2 more here.
so that the frags won't fall.
There. 2, 3. Four. 5. 1. Here. I'm going to balance it like this. So that's 1 for doggies. Look at the frog. It's cute. It's so cute. So cute. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and get the 5th one. 4, 5th one. Look, I made a straight line in the middle. Now for these 2 spaces. Yeah. I can roll. 5 again. 1 here. Another frog here on these corners. I'm putting some on the corners now. I'm going to balance. Balance. And put this one over here. There. Again. 4. 5. I want it to be 1, Mommy, because I'm going to put 1 here. And let's go. Oh, 4. Yes. 4 here. One of these two. There. Yeah, I'm almost done.
Okay.
Look at the dice. I was spinning a dice. Scroll the dice. Or again. Okay. Two. I haven't still fallen yet. I'm so good.
Okay.
Where did I put the frog in? No, this. 3. Oh. Okay, balance. 3. 4 here. 4 here. This one is wrong. I want to spin again. I got 3. Haven't got that. 1. I'm gonna be 4. 4. 1. I get to be 4 now. Which I'm going to put 4. 1. 2. Gosh, it's so shaky. 3. 4. That's 5 parts. I hope I get lucky. I got 6. Oh. Four. 5. 6. Oh no! Try again, because the dice should the win. 1. Right there. Okay. 3. 1. 2. 3. I'm near the dark side. I got 1. Yeah. Put this one in. Yay. I sorted all of the frogs.
Yay.
Yay. I didn't subscribe.